Welcome to exercise 1.1. We will work through 6 questions on prime factorization, HCF and LCM. Question 1 asks us to express 5 numbers as products of prime factors. 140 equals 2 squared times 5 times 7. 156 equals 2 squared times 3 times 13. 3,825 equals 3 squared times 5 squared times 17 law. 5,005 equals 5 times 7 times 11 times 13. And 7,429 equals 17 times 19 times 23. All 3 are prime. Question 2 asks for LCM and HCF of 3 pairs and verification of the product rule. For 26 and 91, HCF is 13, LCM is 182, and 13 times 182 equals 26 times. For 510 and 92, HCF is 2, LCM is 23,460, and the product rule holds. For 336 and 54, HCF is 6, LCM is 3,024, and the rule holds again. In all 3 cases, HCF times LCM equals the product of the 2 numbers. Question 3 asks for LCM and HCF of 3 sets of 3 numbers. For 12, 15, and 21, HCF is 3 and LCM is 420. 17, 23, and 29 are all prime numbers with no common factors. 8, 9, and 25 also share no common prime factor. When numbers share no common prime, their HCF is 1, and they are called coprime. Question 4. Given that HCF of 306 and 657 is 9, find their LCM on. We use the formula LCM equals A times B divided by HCF by 306 times 657 is 201,042. Dividing by 9 gives 22,338. Therefore, LCM of 306 and 657 is 22,338. Question 6 asks us to explain why 2 expressions are composite numbers. For 7 times 11 times 13 plus 13, we factor out 13. This gives 13 times 78, which equals 2 times 3 times 13 squared. That is a composite. For 7 factorial plus 5, we factor out 5. This gives 5 times 1,010. Since 10 is prime, the result is composite. Both expressions are products of 2 or more primes, so both are composite. Question 7. Sonia and Ravi start together on a circular path. They will meet again when both have completed a whole number of rounds. That means we need the LCM of 18 and 12. 18 equals 2 times 3 squared, and 12 equals 2 squared times 3. LCM equals 2 squared times 3 squared, which is 4 times 9 equals 36. In 36 minutes, Sonia completes 2 rounds and Ravi completes 3 rounds. They meet at the start. They will meet again after 36 minutes.